Hello everyone! Welcome to our YouTube channel. Again, this is Teacher JM, and today we're going to discuss Summative Test Reviewer for Mathematics 1, Quarter 3, Week 3. Disclaimer: the information provided by the presenter on this video is for general informational purposes only, to help pupils to review for their weekly test or summative test. All information is provided in good faith. However, we make no representation or warranty of any kind, express or implied, regarding the accuracy, adequacy, validity, reliability, availability, or completeness of this information. Thank you. Directions: choose the letter of the correct answer. Number 1. There are 5 candies. If 2 are taken away, how many are left? A4, B3, C2, D1. The correct answer is letter B. Number 2. What does take away mean? A. Add, B. Remove, C. Share, D. All of the above. The correct answer is letter B. Number 3. Anna shows 8 counters, then removes 3. What is the difference? A6, B5, C7, D4. The correct answer is letter B. Number 4. Which statement shows 6 minus 2 correctly? A. 6 counters in 3 pairs. B. 6 counters with 2 removed. C. 2 counters with 6 removed. D. 2 counters with 2 removed. The correct answer is letter B. Number 5. In the subtraction sentence, 7 minus 4 equals 3, what is 7? A. Subtrahend, B. Difference, C. Mean-wind, D. None of the above. The correct answer is letter C. Number 6. What is the answer to 9 minus 4? A4, B5, C6, D7. The correct answer is letter B. Number 7. Lito has 7 pencils. If he removes 1, how many are left? A5, B7, C6, D8. The correct answer is letter C. Number 8. What is the subtrahend in 8 minus 3 equals 5? A8, B3, C5, D4. The correct answer is letter B. Number 9. If there are 10 balls and 4 are taken away, what is 10 minus 4? A6, B7, C4, D8. The correct answer is letter A. How do we read the subtraction sentence? The correct answer is letter B. Directions. Write if the statement is true or false. Number 11. Subtraction means taking away numbers from a group. This statement is true. Number 12. The difference is the number left after subtraction. This statement is true. Number 13. In subtraction, the number always becomes bigger. This statement is false. Number 14. The phrase take away means to remove objects. This statement is true. Number 15. In 6 minus 6 equals 0, it means nothing is left. This statement is true. Number 16. 10 minus 0 equals 10 shows that removing nothing keeps the same number. This statement is true. Number 17. Taking away 3 from 8 is the same as taking away 8 from 3. This statement is false. Number 18. In the subtraction sentence, 6 minus 2 equals 4, the mean wind is 6. This statement is true. Number 19. In the subtraction sentence, 6 minus 2 equals 4, the subtrahend is 2. This statement is true. Number 20. In the subtraction sentence, 6 minus 2 equals 4, the difference is 4. This statement is true. Thank you for watching. Again, this is Teacher JM, and don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for more updates. You can also support our YouTube channel by clicking like button, sharing this video, and putting a comment for the content that you want us to cover. Again, thank you and see you next video.